Hey guys, today I want to share with you this new mop that I just got off of Amazon. Really excited, something kind of different than what we usually use. Great if you have pets. We have 2 black labs, tons of hair all over the place. Super simple attachment here. You just simply screw on the 3 rings here, and you can always adjust to whatever height you need, which I really love because not everybody's the same height. Alright, so we're gonna put it back down. It comes with a few different replaceable pads as well. You can already see that I've been using this. So, it comes with a nice handle so you can simply dump it out if you need to. So how you use this is you're gonna put it in the bucket. You're gonna unlock it and you're gonna simply go like this. So it's getting all that dirt and grime off of your right now. So you can just mop your whole floor. We have some laminate here and then our bathrooms. Alright, pick up all that hair right there. Wow, that's crazy. It gets all that hair. Alright, so you can see there, and we'll do it one more time for you here. We'll just set it on there, unlock it, and we're going to snap it in place. And inside this bucket, it has like a little brush with bristles, which is cleaning the bottom of your mop. And you just pop it off and keep going. So you can do this as many times as you need to. Has replaceable heads, so you can just replace these whenever you need to. And I'm going to show you my bucket here, which you can see is disgusting already, and I just did this little area around me. So I'm going to keep going here. You should definitely check this out if you need a mop on Amazon.